Hey guys, it's me. I got something special and I'm going to show it to you. It is the new BB-8 droid. I'm going to show you how to drive this in a minute because I just want to show you all the things that comes with it. So right here we have the docking station. There's supposed to be a little wire that comes into the box with the box, so it goes right here, and so you plug that into there, and then you plug the other side into the wall. Then all you have to do is put BB-8 on there, and he automatically starts charging. So another thing I want to show you about BB-8 is his head comes off, and don't worry that his head comes off. If he drives into something like hard, well, not really hard, but hard enough to knock his head off, it will come off. But you just have to find the magnet and then his head will stick again. Another thing that's pretty cool about this, so if you hold his head really lightly, you can actually hold BB-8's body up with his head, and his head comes off. So I just want to try to show you this. See? It stayed on there for quite a bit. So let's get starting with the driving. Now. Hey guys, it's me again. So right now, I'm going to show you how to drive BB-8. So what you do is you hold the phone up to BB-8 because you get an app on the phone that you have to download to control him. So there's different selections. Right there we have drive. Right there we have message. Message is kind of like on the phone he shoots like a message and you can record it. Patrol is where BB-8 just like patrols the area, like, and then soon he makes a mental map of the house he's in, so then he won't crash into the chairs or anything. Yes. Watch with me. I'm not sure what watch with me does. That's new. So you can discover that. I'm going to be trying this with you. So, because I have never done that before. So I'm going to go into drive because I want to show you how to control him. You're going to need to take him off the stand, put him on the floor. So this makes him turn. And then this makes you control him. So I want to make him come back to me. So here's BB-8 in all its glory of driving. So I'm just gonna make him go over here, or maybe over here. Oh, he just went under the tripod. He just went under the stand. I wish I could have got that. So let's go out of drive and let's go into message. So we're going to send a message. Okay. So I'm sorry, but I cannot do that for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm going to set him on patrol. So you tap that button, and now he's just going to go places. There's also a pause and a play button. So he's over here, so I'm gonna have to get him. So let's go into a different one. How about watch with me? I haven't done that yet. I don't know. Next. I don't know. I really don't know. And then you don't have to show you settings. So yeah. The more you play with BB-8, the more settings you get. So I just got a new one. Watch with me. So I'm just gonna put everything back in my bedroom. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and please leave a like, and please leave a comment down below if you know what Watch With Me does. See you next time.